Hey wonderful butterfly friends, welcome to Marivo's channel. Today we're gonna open our next Lego Friends set, which is Mia's camping van. The number of this set is 41339, and it is recommended for the ages of 7 to 12. The set includes also 2 mini dolls, Stephanie and Mia. We'll build together this beautiful camper which the girls will be able to use to go on their vacations. And there is this also awesome tent and all the interiors. Oh, there's also a horsey! The set has over 432 elements. Therefore, there's gonna be quite a bit of assembly. And new girls. And a super cool tent. There's no need to wait. And I don't want to wait anymore, so let's begin opening up Mia's camping van. In the set, there's 4 bags full of Legos. There's these beautiful stickers with a teddy. Oh. There's also a part to put together the tent and a book with instructions on how to put together. It's pretty big. I forgot to tell you that the set costs about $50 depending on where you live. So let's quickly get ourselves ready to put this together. And here is our first mini, Mia. This is her new form, but I actually think she's quite similar to the old form she was. She has blue shoes, purple dress, and a shirt, a life jacket, and a walkie-talkie. She'll be able to talk to Stephanie. Hello, Stephanie, can you hear me? Hello! And now let's compare the new Mia with the old one. Ta-da! 2 mini Mias. It seems that they're nearly identical, but what is different? They differ with the color of their eyes. Take a look, the new Mia has green eyes and the old one has brown eyes. Also, the new Mia has smaller freckles. Old Mia has quite big ones, but the new one, she has got delicate ones. But look, the hair, they have the same. The hairstyle hasn't changed at all. So it seems there isn't a whole lot of difference between the both of them, but I still kind of like the older Mia better. She has a nicer smile and I like her freckles better. But which ones do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments. Take a look how beautiful she is. She has a navy blue dress, a blue shirt, a life jacket, and beautiful blonde hair. And she also has the same walkie-talkie. Let's compare her now to the old Stephanie. Ta-da! Here is the old Stephanie and the new one. Take a look. We can notice that they have a different style of smile and a different color eyes. The newer Stephanie has a wider smile, but the hair is identical. But yet, I still like the older figurine because it has a nicer smile. Yet, the new dolls are still pretty cool. Alright, let's go and do some more building! Look guys, we've actually made a lifeboat. It's completely orange and it's made for 2 dolls. We can add our little mini dolls. There! oh, and there's also these oars! And now we can go whitewater rafting with our oars. And we're off! And here we have an informational sign that informs us about the whitewater rafting conditions and the hiking conditions. Where are our girls going to decide to go? Here's a table for 2 people. We also have the tabletop and some delicious sandwiches for the girls after they get hungry from their adventures. Are you here? Yes, come on. Look, we've built this beautiful tree with apples and a place for the horse to drink, which is called trough. And there's also this beautiful black horse called Arya. Oh, that is some good water. The set also includes a riding helmet for Mia. Take a look, these are sleeping bags for the tents in orange. There is also water and sunglasses. And now it's time for the tent. I'm really curious what it's gonna look like now when it's finished. Look at what a cool tent! It's blue and green, and up here we have the entrance, and it's got the same one right back here. Ta-da! And you can see everything inside. sweet little pink pillows. Bumper with lights and a sign saying adventure. The next bumper with lights as well and a sign with adventure. We have a brush and some perfume. These must be the girls' accessories. Here is the sink. Beverages with interesting tops, and a little cup. Here is the speedometer. And the gears to make it go faster. We're gonna add a bumper with the lightning rod. Look, Mia's got the same shirt with the lightning rod. Let's fit in the faucet and the sink. Here is where we have our kitchenette with a little frying pan. So small and so cute. And here we have, take a look guys, refrigerator, in which we'll add beverages, orange flavor, and we're fitting it right next to the kitchenette. We'll also add the front windshield, which is very big, and the door for our camper. Ooh, there's also a hanger for your keys. There is also a shelf for the toiletries and a mirror and the toilet paper. And it goes into the bathroom right here. Look, and there's even doors for the bathroom. On the table I've put a pineapple and a banana. And here we have these huge doors that give us better access to the camper. There's a kitchen and a bathroom. There. And here are the mirrors. Ta-da! In the back, we'll add the ladder. Here we finally have these two beds. Take a look, there's a pink bedding. And there's also a little lamp. And I've put on some beautiful star stickers right on the windows. And take a look, that space up there is the actual bedroom. There's also the open skylight. Oh, how cool! And beds. Oh, the girls will get a great night's sleep here. Whoa, look guys, There's this extra little awning that we could put together and take out and put together again. Right on sunny days. Look, the camper is nearly finished now, but there's something still missing. What do you guys think? Huh? Wheels, of course. Ta-da! This is Mia's camper! Wow, look you guys, look how incredible it is! It's so big! It's colored in blue and green colors. And on the very top, we have a place for their boat! I really love it. It opens right from the side thanks to this window that we have here. And inside there is a kitchen, a bathroom. There's also a breakfast nook where two little dolls can sit and eat their breakfast. The camper also has this moving awning and doors. The bedroom right on the top where we can gaze at the stars. And a place for the boat. This set is super awesome cool. I really like it. If you guys like this set and you'd like to see a story with it, make sure you leave us a big thumbs up. If we can collect 2,000 likes on this video, a new video will appear with this set in it and a collection of Lego friends. Because I really do have quite a lot of them. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have any clever ideas for some stories and adventures we should do? Then let me know in the comments. I also have a question for those of you that watched our story very carefully. What is the name of the horse? Huh? Do you know? If you do, let us know in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. I'm sending kisses and hugs to all of my viewers. I will see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye. Bye.